Hi there, just a quick tutorial on exposure blending. So I'm gonna stack my images. I'm going to move my base layer right to the bottom and my bright layer right to the top. So then I'll have my dark layer in the middle. So I'm going to click auto blend. I'm going to delete this merge layer. I don't really need that. It just adds a bit of contrast. Click onto your bright layer and then just bring up your refine mask and just have a play with this. It's something that you'll like. Do the same thing with your dark layer. This will do the windows for you. I want to lighten my ceiling a bit, so I'm going to brush onto my mask of the bright layer with white and flow 10%. Just want to lighten the ceiling a bit more. You can also show a bit more of the windows by brushing with white. Oh, sorry, wrong layer. Click onto your dark layers mask and then just brush with white. You can bring a bit more into the windows. Yeah, so that's about it. So then from here on you just you can either flatten or create a new merge layer and then do your post processing, your color correcting, your contrast, your shadows, whatever. Hope this helps.